Andarki Namaskaram. My name is Rujita Gali, a Pakka Telugu Ammai from this beautiful city of Destiny, Vizag. At the age of 21, I'm a professional working woman, also parallelly pursuing my modeling career. Miss Vizag platform has given me a very enthusiastic and friendly natured co-contestants, designers, organizers and everybody. I feel so happy to have won the title, and I think the reason is my performance on the stage. I just killed it with elegance. I'm looking forward to winning many more titles like this in the future. I'm aspiring to be a top international model someday.
Hello everyone, I am Muskan Nayyar and I am an aspiring model from Vizag itself. Growing up, I realized that this was my passion and I want to pursue it in modeling itself. And Miss Vizag has not only given me such a huge platform but also huge recognition and of course the confidence to pursue my career in modeling and to represent strong women who dare to dream, because one day I want to be on the top just like we are today and represent strong women. Thank you so much.
Hi, good evening everyone. My name is Charishma. I'm 18 years old. I'm from Vizag. I'm a classical dancer, an actress, an artist, and a proud owner of Gift of Plant business. I'm currently pursuing my bachelor's degree in fine arts from Andhra University, and I dream of one day becoming a world-renowned actress. And Miss Vizag platform has helped bring me out of my comfort zone, and it's really given me a wonderful platform to build my confidence and achieve my dreams. This is the perfect stepping stone, and I'm so grateful to Ajay sir, Pobite and Vijay sir for this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.
Actually, I'm not from South, but I'm trying to do something, for the girls, and I really love to be Ajay always giving me chance. Last 3 years I'm the designer for the Miss Vizag. 2017 I start my journey, and 18 also. Then as you know guys, 2029 and 20 is very bad for us due to COVID and all. So finally again 2021 we did many hard work last 6 months, and finally happened last Sunday, and due to the COVID restriction we didn't do the grand way, but whatever the things we did, and the behind there is a many hard work, the choreographer, organizer, makeup artist. As I'm a designer, I didn't sleep last 10 nights, and I'm doing a lot of hard work for the girls to represent for the Miss Vizag 2021. Thank you so much for everyone, each and every media partner who helping us, who support us, and hope you always support us for the next another years whenever we are doing Miss Vizag. Thank you.
నా పేరు సునీత, నేను మేకప్ ఆర్టిస్ట్ని. అందరూ చెప్పినట్టు చాలా హార్డ్ వర్క్ చేసాము షోని సక్సెస్ఫుల్గా చేయడానికి, అండ్ అమ్మాయిలు అందరూ చాలా బాగున్నారు. అండ్ అజయ్ అగర్వాల్ మీ అందరికీ తెలిసిందే, చాలా ఇయర్స్ నుంచి షో చేస్తున్నారు. నాకు ఇక్కడ ఛాన్స్ ఇస్తున్నందుకు థ్యాంక్స్ టు అజయ్ అగర్వాల్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
హాయ్ అండి, నా పేరు భారతి బేరి. నేను 2021 మిస్ వైజాగ్ కొరియోగ్రాఫ్ చేశాను. అందరూ చాలా బాగా వాక్ నేర్చుకున్నారు, చాలా పద్ధతిగా నేర్చుకున్నారు, ఎలాంటి గొడవలు లేకుండా జరిగింది. అండ్ ఫైనల్గా కోవిడ్ రెస్ట్రిక్షన్ వల్ల ఇది ఒక పెద్ద ఎత్తున జరగలేదు, చిన్నగానే దీన్ని కానించారు. బట్ స్టిల్ వీ హ్యాడ్ వెరీ గుడ్ షో. అందరూ చాలా బాగా పార్టిసిపేట్ చేశారు, మంచి బ్యూటిఫుల్ అమ్మాయిలే విన్ అయ్యారు. అండ్ ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్ టు ఎవ్రీ వన్ ఫర్ దేర్ కెరియర్స్ ఇన్ ద ఫ్యూచర్. అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ గివింగ్ మీ దిస్ ఆపర్చునిటీ టు Ajay Agarwal sir and Pobite, everyone. Thank you so much.
Hi, good evening everyone. I'm Ajay Agarwal, the organizer of Miss Vizag 2021. This Sunday we had the main event with a very lesser crowd due to the COVID restriction. We are not able to do a mega final, so we have only just called the parents of the girls, and we are on the basis of the talents and their performance we are given up the winner. And today we are announcing, we have brought all the girls in front of all the medias so that they can cover up the girls.